As the world's leading manufacturer of animal identification products, the folks at Allflex understand how important it is to properly select and apply both visual and electronic ID tags.
In the next few minutes, we're going to cover the ways to maximize the overall retention of your tags in cattle. We'll cover the fundamentals of tag application and include the basics on such things as selecting the proper tag button, using the correct tag applicator, placing tags in the proper location within the ear, and we'll also cover techniques such as disinfecting to ensure the overall lifetime of tags in your animals. A commonly asked question is, when's the best time for me to apply my tags? And basically, that's a decision that's up to you and your own management scenarios on your operation. You need to decide, is it best to do it at birth, at preconditioning or weaning time, at branding time, or would it be better to let the feedlot or the auction market go ahead and perform this task?
The common visual tag used by Allflex customers for more than 50 years to identify animals has two parts: the female portion of the tag and the button or male stem. When applying both visual and EID tags, you should be aware that there are two types of small males. Our traditional small male we use for visual tags, and an extended small male we use for EID tag application. To help identify the buttons, the small male button stem has a silver tip, and the extended small male has a black tip. Another easy way to see the difference is to place the two types of stems side by side. The extended small male is about 1/8 of an inch longer than the small male.
Before you head out to apply tags, make sure that your toolbox is properly equipped. In doing so, we're going to help improve the overall retention of your tags, we're going to help maintain the safety of the handlers involved, and we're also going to ensure minimized stress and good animal husbandry practices. The Allflex Red Total Tagger is the most recent addition to the tag application family, and the Allflex Total Tagger can be utilized for application of both the visual tag as well as the electronic tag by simply removing the black clip inserted in the jaws. The Allflex Red Total Tagger has a comfort grip handle, it has a locking system for ease of storage, and it utilizes the red blunt pin. We're now going to demonstrate proper tag application using the red universal total tagger. Keep in mind that if you still have an old orange or blue tagger, you'll want to replace it with the red universal tagger.
Step 1. To load, depress spring clip and insert the female tag. Step 2. Slip the male tag completely onto the blunt applicator pin. Check the alignment of the male and female by lightly squeezing the handle of the applicator. If the male tag is not aligned with the center of the female tag, proper installation will not occur and the tag could be damaged. If needed, replace the male applicator pin. Retention and readability are two words to bear in mind when placing tags in the ears of cattle. Make sure the application site is free of foreign debris. The female portion of the tag should be on the inside middle section of the left ear between the two cartilage ribs close to the head. The final step before tag application is to dip the jaws of the applicator holding the tag into an antiseptic or disinfectant solution. This is an important step because it helps prevent an infection in the animal's ear. Confine the animal's head, grab your loaded applicator, find proper placement location, and then squeeze the applicator until you feel the snap of the tag into the button. Relax your grip on the applicator and remove.
Now that we've seen how to apply visual tags, let's look at electronic tags. This is the Allflex electronic ID tag. The HDX tag is the half duplex or high performance tag as we like to refer to it. And the yellow tag is the Allflex full duplex standard performance tag.
Before we begin tagging cattle with EID tags, Allflex wants to reiterate that if your current identification system is based on visual tags, Allflex does not suggest you stop using them. Instead, we encourage you to consider EID as an add-on tool, an advantage to your overall system. By tagging your cattle with a visual and EID tag, or what we refer to as a match pair set, you can easily keep track of your animal's management number and ID number. This option also gives you the flexibility to keep up with your tag numbers by downloading them into an Excel spreadsheet for your own personal management records. You can simply do this by going to the Allflex website and typing in your bag locator number under the bag lookup link. From here, you can make the process as easy as you'd like. You can record these numbers on paper or transfer them to a spreadsheet on your cattle software program. The Allflex Tag Application Guide comes with your shipment of EID tags and is also available on the website.
For the purpose of today's demonstration, we will be applying the Allflex High Performance HDX EID tag.
Again, before using the total tagger for Allflex EID tags, remove the black clip. This allows the EID tag to fit properly into the jaws of the applicator. In addition, the red blunt pin must be installed. To load, depress spring clip and insert the female EID tag. Ensure that the raised portion of the tag, which encloses the transponder chip, is placed in the open portion of the jaw. Make sure the arrow on the back side of the HDX tag points outward. Step 2. Slip the male tag completely onto the blunt applicator pin. Check the alignment of the male and female by slightly squeezing the handle of the applicator. If the male tag is not aligned with the center of the female tag, proper installation will not occur, and the tag could be damaged, causing it to fall out. If needed, replace the male applicator pin. Again, make sure the application site is free of foreign debris. The female portion of the EID tag should be on the inside of the ear. When tagging your cattle with an EID tag, the tag should be applied in the middle of the left ear between the two cartilage ribs close to the head. This is the most common and preferred placement of an EID tag because if tagging breeding or finishing cattle, it allows for ear growth as the animal matures. Again, the final step before tag application is to dip the jaws of the applicator, holding the tag into an antiseptic or disinfectant solution. This is an important step because it helps prevent an infection in the animal's ear. Confine the animal's head, grab your loaded applicator, find proper placement location, and then squeeze the applicator until you feel the snap of the tag into the button. Relax your grip on the applicator and remove.
Now let's review. Make sure that you're using the red Universal Allflex Total Tagger. Be sure that you have the proper buttons to apply into the correct ear tags. Make sure that you choose the correct location to apply the ear tags, and specifically if you're applying an electronic ear tag, be sure that you put it in the left middle section of the ear. Be sure that you disinfect all of your buttons and tags prior to application, and this should ensure the most longevity of tag application on your farm or ranch. We hope you enjoyed this educational video. For over 50 years, Allflex has been the world leader in livestock identification systems, beginning with the original two-piece ear tag, the first permanent laser marking identification, and the original electronic ID tag. Thank you for choosing Allflex to be your permanent identification partner. We look forward to doing business with you in the future.